Life has changed. The world is not the same place it was a month ago. Schools have shut down, businesses have closed, events have been canceled, and dreams have been crushed. But we are not alone. Many people have become closer and more unified through this tough time. So how do people stay connected through this troubling era? Well, there is one company at the center of it all who maintains strong services throughout the city of Conway, Arkansas. Enter Conway Corp. They have worked tirelessly to assure quality internet, electricity, water, data, television, and so much more. The tough times are here temporarily, but Conway Corp is here to stay. So how does this apply to my life? Well, every day I wake up and check online through the internet to see my assignments. The internet is all thanks to Conway Corp. Simply put, without Conway Corp, my education would have to be put on hold. Next up is being able to slow the spread and flatten the curve. How do I do this? By washing my hands many times throughout the day. I would not have access to water without Conway Corp. During a tough time like this, it is important to stay connected with those we love. Through both internet and cell phone services, Conway Corp makes this a possibility. Finally, entertainment is almost a necessity through this situation. Conway Corp provides television services to help keep citizens up to date, as well as fun, entertaining content to put a smile on people's faces. There is no doubt that this time is crazy. However, companies like Conway Corp help empower people like me and you to still stay engaged in this world. And that is my life, powered by Conway Corp.